Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Facebook page not loading. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening another website to confirm your network is working. If the internet is unstable, restart your modem or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and test again. Close the Facebook app or browser completely. Then open it again to refresh the session. If you are on a phone, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to reset the connection. Try loading your Facebook page from a different device to see if the problem is device-specific. If you are using a browser, open an incognito or private window and try Facebook there. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then restart the browser and try loading the page again. Disable all browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and reload Facebook. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. If you are using the Facebook mobile app, check for updates in the App Store or Google Play. Force stop the Facebook app, then reopen it to clear any frozen background process. Clear the Facebook app cache in your phone settings to remove corrupted temporary files. If clearing cache does not help, uninstall the Facebook app and reinstall it clean. Log out of Facebook. Then log back in to refresh your account authentication. Change your Facebook password if you suspect a login session problem or unusual activity. Check if Facebook is down by searching Facebook down and viewing a status website report. If Facebook services are down, wait a few minutes and try again because it is server-side. Turn off any VPN or proxy because it can block Facebook or route you to a problematic region. If you must use a VPN, switch to a different server location and test the page again. Check your device date and time settings, and set them to automatic to prevent SSL errors. Try switching DNS to a public DNS like Google DNS to fix loading and routing issues. If you are on Wi-Fi, restart your router to clear network conflicts and renew the connection. On mobile, reset network settings if the problem persists across apps and websites. Check Facebook permissions on your phone and allow network access and background data. If your page only fails on one browser, try another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you manage the page, confirm you still have admin access and that the page was not unpublished. Open the page from a direct URL link instead of search to avoid cache or search indexing issues. Report the problem inside Facebook using the Help and Support option if none of the fixes work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.